Today, we're taking a look at the Audi RS E-Tron GT kit from Revell. This is going to be part of the Easy Click system of kits. The 1/24 scale, basically it is a curbside kit with 71 parts. Just got released here within the last month, a little over a month. Mine just finally arrived, took a month to get here. It's only been released so far, as of this video, in Europe. It's supposed to be released in Japan in December. No ETA on when it's supposed to be released here in the US. And it is today's What's in the Box. Taking a look now at the body, and you can see it is a one-piece body for the most part, molded in a dark shade of blue. Take a look now at the chassis parts tree, which has the chassis and some of the wheel pieces and the dash. There's the chassis, which you can see is pretty simple on the underside. There isn't much to see really, even on the real one. Down here we have the license plate back pieces, the rearview mirror, tie rod, and simplistic, really on the detail. Up here we have the wheel faces, two-piece wheels, and the dash there in the middle. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree A, which has a little bit of everything, some suspension pieces, body pieces, interior pieces. Up here we have the cowl, the suspension piece, underside pans. There in the middle, the brake rotors. Details pretty light, but again, this is technically a easy click snap type kit. Catch the detail to be great. Down here we have the front bumper grille insert piece, steering wheel, column, wiper, mirrors, pedals, overhead console there. The rear mirror is going to attach to, and then here in the middle, these spindles, basically the wheels are going to attach to those pieces, which will attach to the chassis. Take a look at parts tree E now, which has the seats, the front seats, and the interior door panel pieces. Looking at the interior door panels, detail is pretty decent. And the front seats, two-piece front and rear. Parts tree D is next, which has the interior tub and a couple other interior pieces. You see the interior tub has the seat bottoms attached. Don't like to see that. And over here we have the center console and the rear seat back. Taking a look now at the wheels, the actual wheel part, the center face is going to be the second piece. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree B, which has some body pieces, the grille and the rear spoiler. So there's the center grille section. We have the rear spoiler. I believe these are some of the pieces, wheels attached to these pieces, I believe. I'm going to take a look now at the blank side wall roundy rounds. You got skinny out front, wide out back. Now we're going to take a look at the chrome parts tree. First, the headlight buckets. Mirror faces. and the taillight buckets. Parts tree G is up next, and it is the clear parts tree. Here we have the right side window, the taillight lens, the headlight lens, left side window. Here we have the windshield and the rear window that fell off the parts tree. Now we're going to take a look at the decal and sticker sheet. So you do get both options. You get the decal and stickers. Sticker sheet doesn't have the carbon fiber roof decal, but for the most part they're pretty similar. We'll look at the sticker sheet first. You can see what you get. On to the decal sheet. So you see you have the carbon fiber roof decal, dash decals, a couple different Audi badging, depending on if you change the body color, go light or dark. That's nice. A bunch of other detail decals. Now we're going to take a look at the instruction book. I was hoping to have this answer before I did the video. Haven't got around to it yet, but I'm pretty sure if you want to get yourself some Audi color match paint, Jansen Scalefinishes can get some mixed up for you. I already know the colors I want to paint this one in. Just have to email them and find out. So on that note, this is my most anticipated kit for this year, the Audi RS E-Tron GT Easy Click System Kit from Revell. On that note, thank you guys for watching.